Regardless of your background, storytelling is essential, whether you're a student, job seeker, or market specialist. This video will introduce the excellent storytelling model. With these techniques, you can effectively captivate your audience and share your experiences. Okay, let's get started. Hello, everyone. Welcome to Social Insights. Our channel focuses on social skills, habit formation, storytelling, and dating tips. We update every Wednesday and Saturday, providing valuable social advice and techniques. If this is your first time on this channel, please subscribe and hit the notification bell so you won't miss out on any of our exciting videos. Ever had a feeling of déjà vu? Whether it's Star Wars, Harry Potter, or the blockbuster Avatar that sparked a frenzy, these classic movies share similar narrative structures. Would you believe me if I told you that I could explain the story of character growth using a simple story framework? That's precisely what we're going to explore today. The hero's journey, also known as the monomyth, is a narrative structure proposed by scholar Joseph Campbell. It involves a hero venturing into the unknown, facing conflicts and challenges, and ultimately achieving victory before returning home and transforming into a different person. The hero's journey consists of 3 stages. 1. Departure. 2. Initiation. 3. Return. In 2007, screenwriter Christopher Vogler expanded Campbell's 3 stages into 12 stages, which became a widely used narrative structure in modern drama and filmmaking. Let's use the movie Interstellar to illustrate these stages. 1. Ordinary world. Here, the audience meets our hero for the first time. The journey has not yet begun, and Cooper is an American farmer. Like ordinary people, the future hero has something he longs for and continues to pursue: love. 2. Call to adventure. An adventure begins, and the call to adventure is meant to drive the hero out of their comfort zone. For Cooper, Murphy's ghost leads them to the secret hiding place of NASA, where NASA personnel ask Cooper to undertake a dangerous mission to venture into space. 3. Refusal of the call. Yes, even heroes have doubts and hesitations. After receiving the call, Cooper is not ready to embrace the challenge. Murphy begs Cooper not to leave and says even the ghost is saying, "Don't go." 4. Meeting the mentor. At this point, the protagonist is called the rookie hero. They need the guidance of a mentor. For Cooper, Professor John Brand serves as his mentor and old friend. He provides Cooper with the necessary knowledge about the interstellar journey and plants the seeds for a change in his mindset. 5. Crossing the first threshold. Now, the hero is ready to plunge into the adventure journey, and from then on, there is no turning back. For Cooper, the first step involves entering space and traversing a black hole with no way to return. 6. Tests, allies, enemies. Here, the hero faces new challenges. One of the most crucial aspects is the hero assembling a new team. Cooper meets the crew and robots. They land on an ocean planet where they discover the wreckage of a previous mission and encounter a massive tidal wave. One crew member gets swept away, and their engines get submerged. By the time they return to the ship, 23 years have passed. 7. Approach to the inmost cave. This is not a physical cave. The cave deep within the heart refers to the most dangerous place in another realm. At this stage, the hero gradually approaches and prepares for the final battle. In Interstellar, Cooper arrives at man's planet, seemingly achieving his goal. However, there are signs that things are not going so smoothly. 8. The ordeal. Here, the hero faces their greatest trial yet, the darkest moment, when they encounter unprecedented challenges. In the movie, man admits to lying to save his life and attempts to kill Cooper by pushing him into a massive crevasse while sabotaging his oxygen supply. Man's treachery leads to Romilly's death. 9. Reward. Having survived the ordeal, the hero finally sees the light at the end of the tunnel. The reward can be an item or knowledge the hero has been striving for throughout the journey. Once the protagonist possesses it, it usually significantly impacts the story. In Star Wars, Luke rescues Princess Leia and acquires the Death Star plans, the key to defeating Darth Vader. In Interstellar, the reward is Cooper admitting to Brand that she was right. 10. The Road Back. The story is not over yet because this stage marks the beginning of the third act, and the light at the end of the tunnel may be farther than the hero imagines. More precisely, the hero must deal with the consequences and aftermath of the previous act, facing obstacles before returning home. In Interstellar, Cooper sacrifices himself and enters the Tesseract to allow Brand to reach the next planet. They lose another 51 years in the process. 11. The Resurrection. Here, the hero's trials reach their peak, and it's the final frenzy of the dark forces. In Interstellar, Cooper finds himself inside a Tesseract, realizing he is Murphy's ghost and desperately sending her signals. Murphy eventually figures out the answer to save humanity. 12. Return with the elixir. Finally, the hero returns triumphantly with the spoils of the adventure journey. The spoils can be a physical reward or the knowledge and insights gained during the journey, just like Bilbo Baggins' ring in The Hobbit. In Interstellar, Cooper wakes up in a new space station and sees Murphy, who is now very old. He sees her surrounded by her loved ones. She tells him to find Brand. He had his adventure, and it was time to find his love. What can the hero's journey teach us? How to tell our own stories effectively. 1. Who is the hero? When discussing heroes, many think of fictional superheroes like Iron Man, Superman, or Captain America. However, ordinary people like you and me can also become heroes by making extraordinary changes. Suppose you were once an ordinary employee in a large company but bravely resigned for specific reasons or the desire to start your own business. You embarked on an enchanting yet lonely entrepreneurial journey. By overcoming various obstacles and continuously exploring, you eventually achieve your goals. In this case, you are that hero. 2. Highlight the story arc. Since it is called the hero's journey, it is undoubtedly a journey with a starting point and an end point, and the process in between is meant to highlight the protagonist's transformation. This transformational curve in the story is often referred to as the story arc, and the larger the arc, the more captivating the story. Remember, who I am equals my past plus change. On our resumes, we can only see changes in job positions but not the person's transformation, the challenges experienced in between, the new knowledge gained, or the accomplishments made. When you tell a story, you are describing such a process. Do you remember the STAR principle mentioned in interviews? When answering an open-ended behavioral question, we often start with the situation, introducing the story's background. Then, we clarify the objective, emphasizing the challenges faced and actions taken, and conclude the story with the result. A good storyteller gradually reveals the character's transformation and progression, building a bridge of trust and resonance between you and the audience. 3. Mentors and allies are essential. No one can succeed purely on their own. Therefore, in the hero's journey model, the concepts of mentors and allies are particularly emphasized. Mentors and allies become necessities for personal development because the growth path has many pitfalls. When telling your story, you must answer 2 questions. Who is your mentor? Who are your allies? And who are you still missing? This way, your story will be more natural and persuasive. Now, do you know how to tell your story? Remember, every transformation is a story of metamorphosis, just like a caterpillar turning into a butterfly. This is Social Insights, a friend who focuses on social skills, habit formation, storytelling, and dating tips. If you found today's sharing inspiring, please like, comment, and share our video with your friends and family. Please comment in the comment section if you have any questions and want answers. See you in the next episode.